Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I don't know about you, but my eyelashes take a ton of abuse between drying mascaras, curling my eyelashes, makeup removal. They really needed some extra TLC. So recently I have been using this VieBeauti Eyelash Serum. This serum is super simple to use and was a really quick extra step to add to my nightly skincare routine. It has a really thin brush that holds onto the serum, and this thin brush is designed to get really close to my lash line. The serum gets really well deposited exactly where it's needed. It's flexible and slim, so it is really easy to get precise application. I have been using this serum now without missing a night for just over 3 weeks. I've really noticed impressive results using this serum. My eyelashes definitely feel thicker and they look longer too. I feel like since using this serum, I get a much more natural looking curl to my lashes too. Here you can see that my eyelashes are curled, but I only have mascara on, no eyeliner or eyeshadow. This VieBeauti Eyelash Serum has given me great results. I'm really excited to continue using it to see how much more flutter power it gives me. And that's my point of view.